Sichuan is the kingdom of pheasants, holding over half of China's 1,500 bird species and the highest endemism in the country. Its dramatic shift from 400-meter basins to 6,000-meter alpine peaks creates a global sanctuary for rare wildlife. In August 2023, Ang Wei, Kwok Sang, and I set out for an expedition into these mountains with guide Tom, seeking out specialized endemics and spectacular high-altitude jewels. Our targets were the legendary forests of Wawo Mountain and the alpine passes of Bolong Mountain. En route to Wawo Mountain, we made a strategic 2-hour stop at Pifeng Xia. After conquering Bolong Mountain, we stayed overnight at Hotel Gina in Wenchuan. This allowed for a final productive morning session in Bualong before our return to Chengdu. Though our session at Pifeng Xia was brief, the humid canopy delivered. We documented vibrant forest dwellers like the collared finchbill and white-browed laughing thrush, giving us a perfect start to our species list before pushing deeper into the mountains. At Wawo Mountain, the tabletop mountain was shrouded in monsoon mists. Navigating the dense bamboo, we tracked down high-priority specialists like the gray-hooded fulvetta and the elusive three-toed parrotbill. Documenting these endemics as they flitted through the cloud forest was a test of patience and skill. Then, we tackled the high alpine meadows of Bolong Mountain. High above the tree line, we found our ultimate prize, the striking blood pheasant. Watching this alpine specialist forage along the rocky slopes was the emotional peak of our trip, a moment that perfectly captured the beauty of Sichuan's wilderness. Our final morning was spent in the rugged valleys of Bualong. This terrain rounded out our checklist as we recorded the Chinese nuthatch and Sichuan leaf warbler, bringing our final record to 53 species before our departure. "53 species later, our 2023 expedition was complete. Thank you to Eng Wei for organizing the trip and to my birding khakis, Eng Wei and Kwok Sang, for the camaraderie. Sichuan, we'll be back.